Yo, YouTube by far is the best side hustle out there. With over 2 billion viewers each month, you could potentially be making more money. And I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why YouTube is the best side hustle, the king of side hustles, hands down. Number 1, YouTube monetization is consistent. The monetization of videos has always been the most lucrative part of YouTube. Although monetization regulations have mixed reviews, as long as you're part of the YouTube Partner Program, you are eligible for monetization. It highlights everything you need to do as a creator to start making your side hustle income on YouTube. Number 2, YouTube has a large scope for collaboration. Now, this is one that I think is the most profitable and reasons why YouTube is the king of side hustles. Number 1 is the main reason being that by collaborating with other artists, creators, you get to tap into their fan base and their partner. This could easily mean an extra few million viewers or subscribers to, engage into your channel. Another reason why YouTubers are engaged to create in collaboration is that you guys bring new content, fresh faces, and hopefully new perspectives on potentially previously discussed topics. So for an example, if you guys are collaborating with other YouTube personalities and YouTubers, you guys come up with fresh topics, and then which brings other topics which bring and engages other YouTubers to get a part of the conversation, which their subscribers now look at your content, and then you guys have now a circle of collaborators where now you're building a community within YouTube. So number 3, this one I think is key essential, is that YouTube is a platform for affiliate marketing, right? Affiliate marketing can be done on various platforms other than YouTube. But if you consider the number of people visiting YouTube, remember 2 billion people look at YouTube every day, and the amount of content being watched daily on all those channels that are on YouTube, it won't come as a surprise that affiliate marketing done through YouTube have higher conversion rates than most platforms. So that's something to consider. Number 4, there are provisions for sponsorship. So similar to affiliate marketing, right? Sponsorship work a little different. They are another reason why YouTube has managed to remain a great source of income in terms of side hustles and passive income, right? If you land a few sponsorships, this could help you fund the videos, and hence all earnings from the video go directly into you as the creator, your pocket, right? The sponsor brand is happy in itself because they've gotten new customers through, your viewership and your subscribers, and the creator gets to keep over profit. So that's another benefit of YouTube being the king of side hustle. And number 5, definitely the biggest reason, is recurring income. This is by far the most important feature of YouTube that attracts more people to take it up as a side hustle. Now, I'm not saying that if you start a YouTube channel that you're just going to be making $1 million out the gate. No, YouTube actually takes a lot of work. It's really hard to get into the YouTube Partner Program. So you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 400 hours of watch time to be able to apply for the Partner Program. Then you get accepted, and then once you get accepted, now the key to YouTube is your retention rate and having the viewers continuously watch your content. And what happens is that like me, for an example, I started out and it took me a while to get to that 1,000 subscribers. Right now I'm sitting at about 3,500 subscribers, and it took a little while. Now some people are an anomaly, right? Some people blow up once they get on, and some people take 5, 6, 10 years. I mean, there's a lot of YouTubers out there that have been in the game, for many years, that a lot of people are just getting to their content now that they got, 700, 800 subscribers. But 5 years ago, when they was just like the rest of us, or 2 or 3, they was putting in the work and they was grinding. So, the beauty of YouTube, and one main reasons why it has remained the king of side hustles, in my opinion, although it's easier said than done, if you push through, if you learn the game, if you build content that's worth value, then you could definitely be successful. Thank you for watching. Do me a favor, let me know what you think in the comment section. What do you think about YouTube being the best side hustle, or what's better than YouTube as a side hustle? Leave your comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get fit, let's gain wealth, let's improve our lifestyle.